Hi everyone. This video recording will go through how to upload into Frontline My Learning Plan your observation or reflection experiences depending upon which path that you have chosen. So let's say, for example, that you've chosen path B and you've decided that you want to videotape yourself and you want to have a peer come in and observe you, and you want to reflect on that process as part of your professional growth for the year. So in here on our professional growth system guide, there are links to questions that you can ask yourself as part of the reflection. Please realize that the reflections do not need to be any longer than a page. These are just guides for you to think about that may help you as you write your reflections on that particular experience. So that's what these link to, just some questions to guide that reflection or that particular experience, whatever it may be. Excuse me. Regardless, whatever it is that you decide to do that is not an informal observation or a formal observation will need to be documented into Frontline My Learning Plans through some sort of reflection. So the way that you get that into Frontline is by going to the Learning Plan tab once you log into Frontline My Learning Plan. You'll want to click here at Evaluations. Once you get into Evaluations, you'll click on Artifacts. In Artifacts, you'll want to click on the little green plus button where it says Upload. Here you'll give a name. So let's say it's a peer observation. And maybe you say, so-and-so observed my second hour AP Psychology class on 10/23. That's your description. Then you're going to click Observation, Feedback, or Reflection. If this was a video reflection, maybe you would click Reflection. But other than that, Observation, Feedback, Reflection, or Reflection are fine for these experiences. And you click here for Observation. And then after that, you're going to have to really kind of decide what your reflection was about, or what the person came in to observe, and then you would align that to the professional practice standards for the STRONG model. So let's say you had them come in, watch your lesson, give you feedback on if you met your learning target or not. And in that case, you're probably going to be taking a look at your assessments as well. Whichever one of those practice standards were part of your reflection or part of the observation. Then you just find your URL if it's a Google Doc and you link that here, or you go in and you find your file, and I'm just going to grab a fake one here, link that there. No need to select an administrator to notify. This will send them an email that you've put something into your artifact file. They're able to see this if you send this email or not, and everybody gets enough emails, so there's no need to send an email. Then just press Save. Once that's in there, then you will see that it should show up, and you should be able to see what it was, and if you did it wrong, you can always press Delete. So it's as simple as that. Again, you just want to make sure that depending upon the path that you choose, that you're getting some sort of artifact in there that documents the experience that you chose in your path. All right, let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks.